Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of antibiotics, specifically Cephalexin, a commonly prescribed medication. Whether you're just curious or need to take it soon, this guide will walk you through its uses, how it works, and important precautions. Cephalexin is an antibiotic that belongs to the cephalosporin family, and it's used to fight various bacterial infections. It's often prescribed for conditions like respiratory tract infections, skin infections, ear infections, and urinary tract. So, if you experience symptoms in these areas, your doctor might recommend Cephalexin. Now, how does Cephalexin work? It fights bacteria by disrupting their cell wall synthesis, effectively stopping their growth and killing them. This action helps your body's immune system overcome the infection more efficiently. Let's talk about dosage and administration. The initial dose can vary depending on the severity and type of infection, and your doctor will determine the right amount for you. It's crucial to follow their instructions carefully and complete the full course to prevent resistance. However, like all medications, Cephalexin can have side effects. The most common ones include nausea, diarrhea, and skin rashes. More severe reactions, although rare, require immediate medical attention. Also, remember to talk to your doctor about your allergies and other medications to avoid adverse interactions. In conclusion, Cephalexin is a powerful tool against bacterial infections, but it's essential to use it wisely. Always follow your doctor's advice and report any side effects. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thanks for tuning in today. See you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.